Unana Gama lapha kwi-Facebook page yomnyango uthi ngokuhlala ngwamaphumulo ngicela ukubuza ukuthi uma uke waba nesigameko esimbi esake sakwehlela kwasengathi unokudideka ngokukhohlwa yini engayenza ukuthi ngibuyise umqondo ngikwazi ukukhumbula kahle ngesehlo.
Yes, so kukabili ke lapho uma kunesigameko either isigameko physical trauma or psychological trauma.
Okay.
So now sesingena singena kwi-PTSD, post traumatic stress disorder. Mhlawumbe unesigameko esimbi ulimalile ushayiwe mhlawumbe you were raped or anything like that ekuhlukumeza ngokomqondo. So lokho mawufika kuthina the first thing we do we have to grade ukuthi ukuphi kuma scales ethu we severity of your disease. Nayo amnesia it's part of that. Ngoba one of the causes of amnesia is psychological trauma as well. So when you come and see us, sinama-tools esiwenzayo ukuthi sik-assess ukuthi how severe and how bad are you and what type of treatment you're going to need. So the first thing nje uDade usefuna yenze ukuthi apresent emtholampilo bese eba honest asitshele yonke into in detail ukuthi kwenzakalani. Noma kwesisikhathi kuba nzima ukuthi ama-patient avuleleke yonke into because naku ukukhumbula izehlo nezigameko ezenzekile kuyahlukumeza kwabona uyabona sekudinga ke thina ke uma ufika uzongibona ngibe nesineke sokumhemlisha kahle lo muntu loyo si unpack inkinga yakhe bit by bit.